Hey, it's your girl Kayci, welcoming you to my world. If you're a regular, then welcome back. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribity button for weekly content. You heard? Now go and play my intro. Yes, Herschel now. Kayci's World. Hi, and welcome to Glow Up With Me. Okay, so how do you start a glow up process? I think that working on yourself internally is the most important thing. So a good thing that I like to do to try and hype myself up from the inside and the outside is to just stare at myself in the mirror and say positive affirmations. I really like your earrings. Yes, because they're cute, like little diamonds. And you know what? They make my ears look like jewelry. Like they make my ears look precious. That's what I mean. You know what I mean? Right? And I love my bangs. I will never get tired of my bangs because I literally just feel like it ties my whole face together. You know what I mean, man? And I love the way that I look in chokers. I feel like a vintage baby doll. I love my smile. I love the fact that I haven't bitten my nails as much. Yes! Go off.
Okay.
I'm about to leave, but I'm gonna say one thing, all right? I love you, okay? You are beautiful. Love your beautiful big brown eyes. I think that you are the human being that is most deserving of abundance because you are whole, you are loved, and you are enough, my beautiful child of God. I wish I could squeeze you, you hot piece of ass. Another thing I'd like to do to start a glow process is show some sunlight. Cover yourself in sunshine. Because I'm like a plant. And I need my sunlight. You know what I mean? It's all about the vitamin D. See, like, I feel like I'm watering.
Okay.
That doesn't make any sense. I feel like I'm growing. What? Another thing I think is really important is actually sitting down or standing up and just writing out what you actually want to accomplish in a week, in a month, you know, and actually like detail it down. And I don't mean like be rigid about it and plan everything, but I mean like know what you need to get done and get it done. Like start being proactive and just active in general. And you'll find that you just have a happier disposition. 머리부터 발끝까지 완벽 섹시. 나는 머리부터 끝까지 섹시하다. Okay. So you saw a couple little funny little clippies about how you even start to build your dream life. Now, I said glow up with me because I just gave you the tips and tricks, mamita. Go do them. Do it with me. I want every single one of you to look at yourselves in the mirror in the morning and say, bitch, you is beautiful. You is a god or a goddess. You is just, I want you to look at yourself in the mirror and moan the way that Lil Nas does in his Montero music video.
Okay.
That's how I want you to be when you look at your reflection. That's what we're aiming for. Come on, let's do it. The reason why I said look at yourself and tell yourself that you're beautiful is because it is very, very difficult to gain confidence. It is just you know, I feel like it's ingrained in us as a society to feel like we are incomplete, to feel like we need to find that person who we're going to marry, or we need to find the perfect job, or we need to lose weight, or we need to gain weight, or whatever the case is. Like, no, you are literally right now in this state, beautiful, whole, and complete. Now, if there are things that you want to work on, obviously you got to look at yourself, where your problems stem from, and start to actively change them. Now, when it comes to evolving, it takes a long time. Now, you know, you can't just look at yourself day after day after day after day and be like, okay, yesterday was Monday, today is Tuesday. Am I confident now? Did it work? Because it ain't gonna work that fast. I hate to break it to you, but you gotta spend a lot of time on this, a lot of effort on this, on conditioning yourself to know and understand that you are hot shit. But it takes a second to get there, and then sometimes you get knocked off the horse like I did, and then you gotta get back on it, and that takes time too. So the inner work takes a really long time, but if you start and then you look at yourself like after 12 months of consistent, like, you know, digging deep, of consistent like shadow work, as I would call it, which is looking at those ugly parts that you think are ugly, which aren't, acknowledging where they come from, and then learning from that and either improving or just learning that that's not a bad thing in the first place, and that that's just society, and society's wonky for thinking that that's even a bad thing. But yeah, it's gonna take a really long time, but if you consistently work, you'll see that at the end of the year, you'll be like, damn, I did a lot, I grew a lot. Do I still have some more to work on? Sure, because the work is never done. Honestly, guys, like, it ain't ever done. You keep working until you're like dead. I mean, like, on yourself, because you're consistently challenged, you're consistently growing and evolving, your mindset is shifting. I mean, even the grandmas and grandpas who are in their 90s right now, they're still growing, shifting, and changing. The only reason that they appear so wise is because they've already been through so much. Like, they have so many stories to tell you, but they're still growing, they're still learning, they're still changing. So it never stops. The work never stops. You gotta keep at it. You gotta keep doing it. You can't just, you know, stay stuck in limbo. You gotta keep moving forward and keep improving and keep growing and start reaching your dreams, my dude.
Just do it! Don't let your dreams be dreams. Yesterday, you said tomorrow. So just do it! Make your dreams come true! Just do it!
Okay.
Start with what's on the outside, because that's the easiest. It's very easy to get a haircut and be like, you the shit. It's very easy to put on makeup and be like, yeah, bitch. It's very easy to grab a nice fresh fit and be like, oh, I'm a model? Yeah, I knew. But it's very difficult to like fully look at yourself in the mirror and be like, I love you and you are beautiful. Because society makes it hard for us to say that to ourselves with complete honesty. It's sad, but that is society. So you got to start from the outside, and then naturally it'll all kind of flow into the inside. And then you'll get to that beautiful, beautiful point where you could be walking around with messy hair, sweats on, no makeup, chilling on the couch. You catch a glimpse of yourself in the black screen of the TV and you're like, yeah, that's right. You cute, you little oompa loompa son of a bitch. If freaking Michael B. Jordan came through that door right now, he'd snatch you up. We want to get to that point, but it's not the easiest thing to get to that point. So first, you know, do what you got to do on the outside, and that looks different for everyone. But figure out what works for you, and then go and do that, boo-boo. Another thing that I wanted to tell you guys and let you guys know that will help you start building your dream life: visualize it. Visualize. Set aside time to just sit down, at least like 10 minutes, sit down and just think about, this is where I want to be. This is where I want to go. This is who I want to be. And I will be this person. I am on the right trajectory to get there. I'm just going to sit here and think about how great it would be to be there. I'm going to sit here and think that I'm already there. And pretty soon the universe is going to be like, you've been feeling grateful for a lot of the things I swear to God I didn't give you yet, but maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I did. Well, here they are, just in case I didn't. You know, that's how the universe works. The universe is like this confused little baby bobbin, you know? And if you think about something positive for a long time, or on the flip side, something negative, the universe is gonna be like, "Aight, shoot, here you go. You know, you keep asking for it, I'm gonna give it to you." So if you think about positive things, if you think about yourself in a good way, in an optimistic way, in a beautiful, mentally safe way, the universe is going to give you more of that beautiful feeling. So you really got to try to stay in there. You got to try to stay in there. Now, I said glow up with me. Now, some of you may be wondering, I was expecting you to put on a bunch of makeup, you know, create an outfit with us. What are you doing? I decided I'm just kind of going to talk to you guys for most of this because, you know, it's fun to see somebody dress up. It's fun to see somebody put on makeup and be like, "Damn, bitch, you really blew up, yes." But then you kind of just scroll on to the next video. But if I'm standing here and giving you a free TED Talk about how to just get it done and be a queen or a king, be the divine one, then maybe you just might get off your butt cheeks and start doing some of the things I'm telling you to do. So that's why I'm doing it like this. Now, as for me, and you know, you guys are wondering, okay, so you're building your dream life. Where's all the money? Where's all the things that you're trying to manifest? Because I don't see them. Well, for right now, they're in here, which means that honestly, they're only like a semi-step away from being out here. So obviously, I'm not gonna make these videos every single week because, again, it takes time to get to your dream self and your dream life. But I figured once a month or once every other month, I will tell you guys where I'm at. Also give you some tips and tricks to stay on the path of growth and involvement and just let you know what's going on. And honestly, I'm more than confident that in 2 months from now, I will be even more sexy ass diva than I am right now. I guess that's it for this video. I feel like I like these videos the most because I like talking to you guys. Let me know down below in the comments what you are going to do right after this video finishes to start your journey to building your dream life. And also let me know if you enjoy this kind of content. But that is it for today, my folks. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye for now. Mucho amor.